Over the moon. Over the moon. Extremely happy.
She was over the moon about her promotion. He felt over the moon after passing the exam.
As cool as a cucumber. As cool as a cucumber. Very calm and relaxed.
He stayed as cool as a cucumber during the interview. She was as cool as a cucumber despite the chaos.
A white elephant. A white elephant. A costly but useless item.
The old car became a white elephant for them. They found the gift to be a white elephant.
Have a whale of a time. Have a whale of a time. To have a lot of fun.
We had a whale of a time at the party. They had a whale of a time on their vacation.
Beat around the bush. Beat around the bush. To avoid getting to the point.
Stop beating around the bush and tell me the news. He always beats around the bush during discussions.
A big fish in a small pond. A big fish in a small pond. A person who is important in a small group but not elsewhere.
He's a big fish in a small pond at his school. She felt like a big fish in a small pond at her job.
A storm in a teacup. A storm in a teacup. A big deal over something minor.
Their argument was just a storm in a teacup. It's only a small mistake, don't make it a storm in a teacup.
Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Hope for a good outcome.
I have my fingers crossed for the exam results. Fingers crossed that the weather stays nice.
Turn a blind eye. Turn a blind eye. To ignore something bad.
They turned a blind eye to the minor issues. She turned a blind eye to his mistakes.
Better late than never. Better late than never. It's better to do something late than not at all.
He finally apologized, better late than never. She submitted her work late, but better late than never.